welcome back to my channel. As you guys know by the video title, today's makeup has been picked by my Tito. Okay, and he finds it really hard to stay stable, so this is him. Hi! And this is all you're gonna see of him in the video because he is not very camera friendly, so to say. So for foundation today we have the NARS Sheer Glow, the Chanel Vita La Mer Aqua, the Dior Backstage and Born This Way.
बढ़िया शाबाश बस.
And for concealer we have the NARS concealer, the Too Faced and the Tarte Shape Tape. For setting powder I have the Laura Mercier, the Hourglass Veil and the Cover FX powder. Okay Cheeto, come.
जा बस.
So for contour, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Contour 1 and the Born This Way Contour Concealer. Okay, come on, Cheeto.
चल मेरे को.
For blush, we have the NARS Orgasm, the Flower Beauty Melon, and Shiseido. Which one is this? Momoko. So these are the three blushes. Okay, Cheeto, come.
चलो बस.
Okay, for eyeshadow palette today we have the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk and the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. Okay, Cheeto. Cheeto, come. Cheeto, come. Treats.
हाथ खा मेरा आँख हीरो.
Cheeto, Adik, treats. Okay, so for highlighter, I have the Becca into Jaclyn palette, the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and the liquid highlighter by Iconic London. Okay, Cheeto, come.
उरे आजा उरे.
Come on. Oh God.
मेरे लगा.
यार ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਵੀਰੇ ਚੱਕ ਲੈ ਕੋਈ ਤਾਂ ਚੱਕ ਲੈ ਹਾਏ ਵੀਰੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਾਂ ਚੱਕ ਲੈ
शाबाश. अच्छा.
Okay, for mascara we have the Too Faced and the Huda Beauty. Page.
चल चिटो.
Alright, now it's time for the brow pencil, and for brows I have the Benefit Goof Proof pencil and the Anastasia brow definer. Come Cheeto, come. यार Cheeto आओ. Come.
उठ. मेरा हाथ बाजू खा यार. आ मेला खा.
Cheeto, come.
चल.
So finally, for the setting spray, we have the Too Faced Hangover setting spray and the Flower Beauty Fine Mist. Let's see what he picks. Come on, Cheeto, come.
जाओ.
Good boy. All this makeup has been picked by my very cute, sweet, handsome boy Cheeto. I'm gonna try to create a makeup look out of all the makeup that he's picked up for me. Stay tuned to keep on watching. So Cheeto's picked up the Hangover setting mist for me. I would also like to use it as a little primer because I have very, very dry skin. So let's do that. So the foundation that Cheeto picked for today's video is the NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the shade Barcelona. I'm just going to go ahead and put this foundation all over my face. Okay, the foundation is on, and the concealer that Cheeto picked was the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is the concealer that Cheeto picked, and it's in the shade Natural Beige. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਡਾਰਕ ਸਰਕਲਸ ਤੇ ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ. Also, guys, I'm trying this new thing where I'm gonna do like a mix of Punjabi and English and Hindi and everything, because I just feel like that's more fun. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys see the difference? Like, oh my god, it's crazy. Now let's move on to the contour. So Cheeto picked the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. Okay, moving on to the powder. So Cheeto actually picked the Laura Mercier translucent powder for me today. So I will be using that to set my makeup. So I went ahead and set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now it's time to set our brows, and Cheeto picked the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit for me. This is the brow pencil and it's in the shade number 5. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill my brows using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. Okay, so the brows are done and now it's time for the eyes. And for the eyes today, actually Cheeto picked this eyeshadow, which is a Juvia's Place Magic Palette. So I'm going to try to create a look with this eye. Oh shit. Okay, my palette is literally breaking apart, but anyway. So this is the palette that I'm going to use to create the look today. So for my crease today, I'll be using a combination of the color Nana and Zakia, these two shades. Let's just get started. The next color that I'm going to go in with is called Yajedi, which is this really dark blue. And now using just any clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend this. So I'm trying to create a spotlight halo eye look right here. Okay, and now using a wet packer brush, I'm just gonna take this shade called Yemoja, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna take it on my brush. So guys, I'm done with this eye. I'm just gonna quickly go behind the camera and finish this eye and see you guys in a bit. So the eyes are done. I know they look crazy intense, like what just happened. You know, every once in a while you just gotta get rid of your regular routine and try this halo smoky eye look by Mama Mitchell. Now it's time for the mascara, and the mascara that Cheeto picked is the Legit Lashes Mascara by Huda Beauty. So you know, my horoscope this week said there's so much drama that's gonna happen in my life this week, and the horoscope said drama with the capital D. And the only drama that I'm having in my life right now are these falsies that I've put to support this very dramatic look, because let's be real, with eyes like this, they call for falsies, right? So I just went ahead and I used the Samantha Lashes by Huda Beauty. Now it's time for the blush, and the blush that I'm using today is by Shiseido. This is a cream blush. It's the shade Momoko, and Cheeto actually picked this up, which I literally love this blush. It's such a beautiful peach toned blush. So I'm just going to take some on my brush and I'm just going to dab it all over my cheeks. Okay, so the blush is on and we are heading towards the end of this look. Now, Cheeto obviously picked the lipstick, and the lipstick that Cheeto picked is this beautiful Morphe lipstick, and it's the shade Boho. This is the shade. A little mistake here, turns out I picked up a gloss and Cheeto picked the gloss, so we basically have no lipstick. So we're gonna put this gloss now. the lipsticks done, and Cheeto picked this setting spray from Too Faced. Okay, so for highlighter, Cheeto picked the Jaclyn Into Becca highlighter palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply Champagne Pop. And now just a little bit of highlight for that inner corner. So guys, this concludes this makeup look. Very dramatic, very intense, but who's complaining? It was picked by my super cute dog Cheeto, who's now sleeping, so I can't feature him in the video, and I'm really sorry about that. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then yeah, share it with your friends, family, dog lovers, whoever, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.